Hey guys, welcome back to Grow and Glow. My name is Jen and I'm all about intentional living and mindset, and on this channel I do product reviews that fall under that umbrella of intentional living, where it comes to natural, low tox, eco-friendly and budget-friendly beauty and lifestyle products and brands. So as you guys may have noticed over the last couple of videos, I have chopped off my hair. And because I haven't had hair this short in a really long time, I am sort of at a loss still for how to style it, how to make it look polished and nice. So basically all I've been doing is brushing it and most days just hoping for the best. But as you guys know, when you have hair that is shoulder length, because it sits on your shoulders, you get that flippage happening, especially in the back where you can't see and you can't really tell what's going on. And then of course what I also do is I'll take my big old blow dryer here, and let me tell you, I am not experienced in using blow dryers. So a lot of times all I do is use it to dry my hair so that it doesn't stay wet for too long. And I do use my brush here to kind of, try to give it some shape and a little bit of style. But I feel like it doesn't always work and I'm not really the best at it. So honestly, after the first few minutes of styling, I do see, sort of these nice curves, or at least like straighter ends, and not so much of that flip happening. But very quickly throughout the day, the flip comes back and it's very hard for me to maintain on a day-to-day basis. So I'll show you what my current hairstyling routine looks like. Okay, all right, so we got it on. I'll put it on to hot. And then I'll just pull this through like so. Guys, I'm not gonna do the whole routine, but you see what I mean. I'm not great at it. I'm not a hair person. So I recently got partnered up with this brand through Shopify collabs called TYME, T-Y-M-E. They have lots of hair tools and products that makes hairstyling at home easier so that you struggle a little less like I do. So I purchased a TYME blow brush, which is basically a wide barrel round brush that emits heat. So it's like a blow dryer and a brush all in one. And from what I saw online in terms of tutorials, it looks very easy to use. So you just turn it on, it blows air, and you just wrap it through your hair to give you that desired effect. So it's going to be here in a couple days, and just like my Pony-O try out video, I will show you my first time using it, and let's see if I can get a better result than this. All right, see you in a couple days. Hey guys, I'm back, and that means one thing. The blow brush is here. So as you recall, I am not very good with hairstyling and hair tools, and you saw that I was just trying to use my blow dryer with a regular paddle brush and then using my straight iron to straight out the ends, and the hair doesn't stay styled and it just kind of keeps flipping, as you can see here. And I actually just washed my hair a couple days ago, and so it is flip central. All right, so I wanted to open this up and test it out with you guys. Here is the TYME blow brush. And I chose the black color because I thought it was the most classic. It has rose gold accents. They do have a lavender color as well, but I like rose gold, so this is the one for me. So here's the brush. Super simple. It just comes like this with a cord. I do like that it has the Velcro cable tie. That makes it easy to keep the cable organized. There we go. Let's plug it in. So before I test this out and turn it on, some details about the blow brush. It uses boar and nylon bristles. There are air vents that help for ventilation. It is quite lightweight and it says ergonomic. I do think that it's fairly ergonomic, really easy to grip. And then there's multiple heat settings and a professional swivel cord. So this guy swivels. There are 3 settings: low, middle, and high. Right now it's turned off, so the blue button is on the off. If I twist this guy here, it changes the settings, and I can already feel the heat coming out from that little bit. Let's try it on middle first and see how it goes. Oh! Let's go high. All right, so admittedly, this is hard to do on camera with just a viewfinder, but just a few passes and it's already looking much better. Now, let's see if I can do the bang thing. Like, can I achieve a curtain bang? Who knows? Let's find out. I'll start on low. Is that it? Oh. Oh, look at that. I get that little like flick on the ends. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay, obviously I need some practice, but I am liking what I'm seeing so far. Hey guys, all right, can we admit that that was a bit of a hot mess? Definitely don't know if I should have been trying to do my hair on camera without a mirror using something that I've never used before. So I don't know how all you hair and beauty gurus do it, but it's not easy. Anyways, so this is the second time attempting to use the TYME blow brush, this guy right here, and definitely way more successful than the first time you guys saw me using it. I've got nice bounce and volume. I'm still having trouble getting like the little flicky bits at the back of my neck because I can't see. And maybe I'm just not dexterous enough to get into the back and do it, but perhaps with practice I can get better. But what do you guys think? I do think it gives more of a sophisticated look. Obviously, with a bit more practice, I can refine the technique and the final outcome I want of the style. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Now, a little bit about TYME, the brand. It all started with Jacinda, who was a mom, a wife, and it's not like she really had a dream about being the CEO of a company or a brand, but she did have a desire to do something with her life, and she knew that she loved hair and she wanted to provide a solution to help everyday ladies and gentlemen to find a way to tame their hair at home in a way that's less complicated and efficient. And so started her journey of creating these hair care tools and products. The cool thing about that journey is that she brought on the support, the knowledge, the expertise of her cousin who had experience with product development, eventually her brother as well, and turned it into a family business. And now she's got this incredible line of innovative hair tools and things like this blow brush that just make it easier for the everyday person like myself, a novice, to be able to polish up their look from the comfort of their own home. So I really resonated with her story. I thought it was just so sweet, and that's why I decided that I wanted to try their product and partner up with them. If any of you guys want to also try TYME and their hair care products and tools, then check out their website. You can use my code GROW and GLOW. I'll put it in the description and also right over here so you can see. You get $5 off. It also helps to support me and my channel. Speaking of my channel, I love doing reviews on products and brands and things that just put more intention into your life, make your day happier. And that's the whole point of Grow and Glow, is just living with intention, being more happy, and uplifting yourself, your family, your home. So if you guys like today's video and like what I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can also find me on Instagram at Grow and Glow, as well as on my website at growwithjen.com. You can also subscribe to that and get updates on any new content that I post. And you get some recipes as well, which I don't do a lot of here. Just goes more in depth. Also, I have started doing shorts on my YouTube channel, so let me know if you guys have seen them and if you like them. Some of them are a hit and miss, but I'm just having fun with it. Anyways, until next time, keep on growing and glowing. See you later.